Hello guys, welcome to this amazing YouTube channel. My name is Tis Prajapati and I will be presenting here some amazing cool gadgets. So yeah, I am here with this amazing gadget Zhiyun Vivid 2 Gimbal for camera. In previous video, I have shown you the unboxing of this. This was the gimbal for phone and now I have moved on one step further. I will be now unboxing the gimbal for camera. So yeah, let's quickly wind up this introduction and let's begin the unboxing. This is a complete kit it gives with the box. Here it comes with some books. Here it is a service card, and in this book it is given some instructions of how you can scan the barcode. It comes with amazing features which I will be showing in here. And yeah, you can read it if you want to. So yeah, now let's quickly unbox this. So here it is. First things first, it comes with this razor blade. Another here, it comes with the Manfrotto compatible disc, which is quite good actually. A tripod, a box of cables. It has many cables in it. So if I buy any camera in the future, I can connect easily the camera with this gimbal. Lens supporter, a knob, and now here it comes. Feels amazing as I hold it. It actually feels amazing when I hold it. It comes with this a joystick in the place of a thumb, so I can easily control it. So I can easily control this gimbal. It comes with this amazing joystick placed right exactly to my thumb, so I can easily operate this gimbal through with my thumb. These two buttons placed at perfect distance, so I can operate them easily. Rotor blade if I want to shift to different features. One amazing feature in it is this. It comes with the display, as you can see. As you can see here, it comes with the display. So when in future if I buy any HDMI device, then I can easily monitor my camera screen into this gimbal screen. So yeah, now I will quickly balance my camera on this gimbal and I will be shooting some amazing clips outside. I am just waiting for your comments. So yeah, please quickly comment down below.